Are you ready to install Windows 11 from scratch, fix a broken system, or upgrade an old PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a bootable USB Windows 11 installer using Rufus, quickly and easily. But before we begin, if you enjoy straightforward tech tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a useful video like this. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and type Windows 11, then press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft website. It should be one of the first results. Click on Download Windows 11. Once you're on the Microsoft download page, scroll down until you see the section titled Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. From the drop-down, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, then hit Download. Next, you'll be asked to select your product language. Choose the one you need, click Confirm, and wait for the final download link to appear. Click that button, and your Windows 11 ISO file will begin downloading. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so sit back and let it finish. Once the ISO is downloaded, it's time for Step 2, downloading Rufus. Go back to your browser and type Rufus download, then press Enter. Click the official Rufus site, and scroll down until you find the latest version. In this example, we are using Rufus 4.2, standard version. Click on the download link to begin. When it's done, click the file to open Rufus. If a prompt appears, just click Yes to continue. Now here comes the fun part. Insert your USB flash drive, make sure it has at least 8 GB of storage, and back up any important data, because this process will erase everything on it. Once your USB is detected, you'll see it listed in Rufus. Under Boot Selection, make sure it says Disk or ISO Image. Then, click Select, and browse to the Windows 11 ISO you just downloaded. You can leave most of the other options as they are. When you're ready, click Start. Another message will appear, just click OK to confirm. Remember, all existing files on your USB drive will be wiped during this process. Now let Rufus do its job. It may take a few minutes, so be patient and don't unplug the drive. Once Rufus has finished writing the ISO to your USB, you can close the program. And just like that, your bootable Windows 11 USB is ready to go. Whether you're reinstalling Windows or setting up a new PC, you're now fully equipped to handle it. If this tutorial helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. It really helps support future content. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching New Tech World Order, and I'll see you in the next one.